Rocket Matter is excited to announce a powerful new workflow management platform for law firms. Introducing Rocket Project Management. The new capabilities integrate seamlessly into Rocket Matter's case management platform and help attorneys take a methodical and automated approach to managing their matters. Rocket Matter administrators can assign matter types to matters for better organization and more accurate reporting. Once you have added a matter type, you can create workflow statuses and build workflow transitions to outline a roadmap for how a particular matter type case type should progress. Workflow statuses allow you to define phases that cases typically go through. They can be general or they can be very specific, depending on the level of granularity and reporting transparency you would like to achieve. If you've defined any matter templates, statuses can be associated with different phases of a project. When a case transitions into a new phase, tasks and events can be layered on automatically. Each phase can contain its own calendar calculations, custom data, and tasks, allowing legal professionals to set up automated systems so that they never miss a deadline. When a matter is switched from one phase to another, all of the predefined data automatically appears in Rocket Matter. Workflow transitions are rules used to define how cases are able to flow from one status to another for any given matter type. Start your transition from a new case and move on to the status or the statuses the case can transition to. You can manage your matter type, matter status, and project phases directly from your Matter dashboard. Rocket Project Management allows for sophisticated reporting about the status of the matters going through phases. For example, legal professionals can easily tell how many matters are in each phase, which are on schedule, and which are overdue. Rocket Project Management also integrates with Rocket Matter's Communicator, the software's internal messaging tool, alerting lawyers when the status of a case has changed. For additional assistance with Rocket Project Management, please contact our award-winning support team at 888-432-1529 or email us at support@rocketmatter.com.